My name is Tim Chaffin. I've been an entrepreneur my whole adult life and been investing in real estate since 1985. I have been to and done business in all 50 states of the U.S. and internationally. I've been training and financially educating entrepreneurs and real estate investors from all over the world for more than 20 years in how to be successful and to make money. These are some of my students sharing their experience. Each one of them have completed my trainings and mentor program where I share with them how to evaluate their current financial position, determine their strengths and weaknesses, then fill in the gaps. To set goals, learn how to understand market analysis, how to find, evaluate, and structure their deals creatively while maximizing their return on investment by not only using other people's money, but also utilizing their time and expertise. There are so many aspects of business and real estate investing that only experience can teach that most people will never have the chance to learn on their own. Take the shortcut to success that only a mentor can provide. Watch and learn.